Hadin ke jingsha penjulor ki kor thep vote EVM henin ka arpoi terik rempang hagi Southly ki polling ha East Jingthep Hills District bakanthop ha Wapung Skur A bat B ke badon lang ha kaju ke jaka ka baha papo ke musniang rengat constituency bat ha Bataw A bat B ke badon lang ha kaju ke jaka ka baha papo ke Bataw lakadong constituency. Nakaliang ki bor sorkar kila penhiar hadu shispa shiphongut ki Pulit Pahara hakite ki artli ki Shong kenang ban penti kena baka Jingthep vote lani ka repoll bala pelong mentagasngi hakite ki jaka bala sya penjulor menin kilong ki bayat bet yat renti. Ka Jingthep vote ne ka repoll kala Sdang nadu dang step hi ha ka por nyo baje bat in penkut hadu saw baje. Nakaliang Deputy Commissioner ke East Jingthep Hills District Ushivansh Avasthi habawan jurip ye kite ki polling ulai thu baka Jingthep vote hadu kembalong menta kala yat bet batling ba ka jingpen Biang bun ki Pulit Pahara nalor bala pentrei kam ye ka curfew ha Wapung Skur bat Bataw ukermen baka Jingthep vote kanlong ka bajai jai hadu pakut. Ulai thu ru baki lalong ki bapen kre la dami kanu ka jingja bat bante la kam ye kanu ka jinglong jingman. Habaya day baka jingja USP ke East Jingthep Hills District Ugiri Prasad ulong baka jingthok kit kadang yat chakmat bat ki bor Pahara ke la perking bah ha Wapung Skur A bat B ha Bataw A bat B polling station kenang baka Jingthep vote kan long ka bayat bet kat kum ki kendon ka an bat ki beriru kin la ban thep vote klem kanu ka jingsha penthut. Ha Wapung Skur lawan Hiar hadu kumba nyo phongut ki Pulit na kabenta ka polling A bat B ke badon lang ha kaju ka jaka bat saw phongut ha Bataw A bat B ke badon lang ha kaju ka jaka na pedeng ki Pulit Pahara la don ru ki Pulit kentai.
Excuse me, madam. Kita lo pak masih sebagai orang kata. Lagi orang tiada orang kata.
निकाल दो ना हो गया आउट इस डबल हो गया ना
कहाँ डबल होगा
हाँ
ये कल का आएगा
उठो फोटो ठीक है
फोटो ठीक है फोटो का सब ठीक है उसका आपका फोटो
kacing penbena kami to kacing penbena KWM kam kami to kacing penpip kam jule kam kacing penkemo yopi kipat ba nong chong chnong yang ka Wapung Skur wa district magistrate ka East Jingthep district da penkhemo ya ka section chispa andrupule yang ke BNSS kenang wo yo ya ke chong sup chong san hapo yang ke chnong Bataw kat kam kani ke hukum da khang percha le wong hoi uyalang bru palat san Ngut heju ithau hapo uput usam yang ke Wapung Skur kam ju le da khang percha wong hoi ra ya kitiar yasian wa kitiar penunso lagno tang Khubor Pulit Cho dakhale ya kibru chimen mani kibru tagba upun thotgi ya kalai kawan yong kitagba nang chongchong kamjule ya kitu kibru kiwaradit thawot muhodi uyalangi hakaju kathau salat ya sanlon kami kajing penbena dawan go na ko office district magistrate ke East Jingthep district Klerian Khuborjylla.
Yesterday, during a JHADC election in our district, there were total 4 incidents where EVM was damaged by a group of people. So after that, the security in both Wapung Skur village and Bataw village where these incidents happened was beefed up, and also the RO went there, and at the spot they decided to adjourn the poll yesterday, and the report was submitted to district council, based on which the government ordered the repoll today. So today we have started the repoll on time. The polling time is from 7 a.m. to 4 a.m. Right now polling is going on peacefully, and full security deployment is also there. We have also imposed curfew in both the Wapung Skur village and Bataw village. So I think today the voting will be peaceful, and we are ready for any kind of scenario. We are fully ready with all the security. Both the ROs and the magistrates are also here to respond to any kind of situation.
So regarding yesterday incident, from your with regard to yesterday incidents, from the law and order situation point of view, has any case registered or any?
As per law, and our investigation is on. But today our priority remains that we provide high security to Bataw A and B and Wapung Skur A and B polling stations, so that the election happens transparently as per the guidelines, and there is no law and order situation, and people are able to vote without any influence or anything. Thank you.
regarding the deployment of security forces, is it adequate as per?
Yes, we have got almost 70 personnel deployed for Wapung Skur A and B together, then along 40 personnel for Bataw A and B together. Along with that, we have women constables also for women polling stations deployed.